As you get older, it may become more difficult opening that pickle jar or slipping into your tennis shoes. But now, thanks to an enhanced terminal position assurance design, you'll never have a problem assembling electrical connectors. Molex Micro-Fit Connectors enhance ergonomics and assembly efficiency by reducing mating force by up to 40%, thereby reducing operator fatigue. A compact design combines power and signal terminals in wire-to-board systems with a 3.00mm pitch that fully isolates contacts on each side of the interface for preventing potential arcing. A fully polarized housing helps ensure proper mating orientation, and unique keying prevents mismating. Designed for consumer, medical, sustainable energy telecommunications, and automotive applications, the Micro-Fit Plus connector system supports a high current rating of 13 amps and a maximum voltage of 600 volts AC.